What is going on, guys? Stefan here, S&E's Garage, and today we are sharing some super exciting news. So the first thing I want to do here is take the time to thank each and every one of my subscribers and my viewers, whether you're a new subscriber or you've been with us since the beginning, or if you're just somebody that's searching how to do things on your vehicles and you stumble across one of my videos. Thank you for watching, thank you for commenting, and thank you for being involved. You guys make all of this and more possible, and I can't thank you enough. And I also want to take the time to thank the guys over at X-Tool. They've hooked us up with quite a few good scan tools here to be able to diagnose and repair our little fleet of vehicles. I'd like to take the time to thank the guys over at FitCamX who have hooked us up with some dash cameras that we have in our Lexus and soon to be in our Durango. All of you guys, whether you're viewers, subscribers, or companies that support us, you're creating an environment where we can thrive, and you're giving me more things to make content with, and then you guys watch that content. So you guys all make this possible. So with that being said, I have something I'd like to show you. So here it is. This is S&E's Garage 2.0. It is official. We have already made our first payment, and we are beginning to prep the site where our new S&E's Garage headquarters will be. And I cannot tell you how excited I am for this to happen. We ended up going with Armada Buildings out of Pennsylvania. They came out, they checked out the site, they sat down with us, we picked out colors, and we went over all of the features that we ended up needing, and this is what we came up with. So this is a 30 by 50 pole barn. Obviously you see it has 4 bays, so they are 4 12-foot high bays, so we can put whatever we want in this thing. And it's going to have 14-foot ceilings. So we are going to have more than enough room to go ahead and install a lift and really get cracking on, getting some more projects going, because we're kind of limited with what we can do here. We have our quick jacks that have kind of served their purpose. The main reason that I purchased them was to do the suspension on this GSF. That would have been a complete pain in the butt to have to do that on the ground. But now that we're going to have a lift and a work space, the sky is the absolute limit. So let's go ahead. It's a rainy day here in New Jersey, but let's go outside really quick, and we're going to show you where this thing's going and what we've done so far. So what you see staked out here is going to be the future location of S&E's Garage. You'll see our chickens are nice and happy here in the rain, kind of enjoying life, giving us some eggs, but that's besides the point. So this is going to be S&E's Garage headquarters. This is going to be the front corner closest to the house, and then we'll walk it. It's going to come all the way out to here, and then back to those corners. So we have a company coming out at some point, whether it's this week or next. It all depends on the weather, because honestly this weather is absolutely atrocious, and they are going to go ahead and grade and level that area. It needs to be level so that when they come later after the building's up to pour a slab, all of that work is already done. So we are going to be getting, I believe it's 2 tandem triaxles of our blend to go ahead and go down on the ground, level it out, and give us a nice good base for a slab. And here in our shed, you'll see that we have already secured a very nice lift. This is a 9,000 pound capacity lift. It is an Atlas. It's going to be good enough for what we're using it for. I don't need something professional because it's not going to be used in a professional manner. But Atlas is an up-and-coming lift company. They're pretty good, and it's going to be good enough for us. So we are super excited to go and get this installed and begin using it. Now it does feature low profile lift arms, which are over here, and they are telescoping. And then we have all of our adapters over here. So we got this lift used. I was gonna order a new one, but the amount of money I saved going used. This was in another retired mechanic's garage, so it wasn't, again, this wasn't used in a commercial manner, and it's not going to be used in a commercial manner here for what we're doing. So with that being said, I hope you guys are ready for a spring and summer filled with some exciting new content of our garage, or S&E's Garage 2.0, being erected and constructed. And you know, we're going to be doing everything ourselves, minus the concrete and the building itself. You know, we're going to be going in, we're going to be finishing it, we're going to be, you know, doing insulation. We have a wood burning stove that's going to be going in there to heat it, and it's just going to be an all around awesome experience, and it's going to be a great project, and I hope you guys are excited to see it. Now, with that being said, we also have some, I don't want to say exciting news, but we have some pretty cool news here with the GSF. Now, as you know, this is a JDM car, Japanese domestic market. It's made in Japan, and it's Japanese through and through. So, with that being said, it's also a V8. It's got a V8 engine under the hood, and I think that's super cool. And I've always been a car enthusiast, and what better way to be an enthusiast than to customize your ride? And what better way to customize your ride than to get some customized plates? So these are going to be our new license plates going forward here with the GSF. So look forward to seeing this on the channel. Anytime you see the car, you will see that it is a JDM V8. So if you live in New Jersey, keep an eye out for me. If you see these plates, it's 100% me. Let's go ahead real quick, put the icing on the cake, and install these plates on this car. Or I should say one of these plates on this car, because I will never put a front plate on this car. And there you have it. JDM V8. Our new identity is solidified, and our new location is in the works. Please, if you haven't already, like, share, and subscribe. We're super excited to bring you guys some exciting new content in that garage, and building that garage, I think, is going to be a lot of fun. So please, like I said, like, share, and subscribe, and we'll see you guys next time.